Instead of traveling to other towns that have a Walmart, employees from several area Walmarts went to Dawson Springs to help residents rebuild from the tornado and regain some of their Christmas spirit. Eyewitness News' Mike Pickett is in Dawson Springs at the high school with more.
Before the tornado, this gym would have been full of either high school students for gym class or people watching the Panthers play basketball. But instead, it's full of people trying to reclaim what they'd lost just days before Christmas.
The mission was bring a little bit of taste of Christmas to an area that's going through a tragedy.
From sweaters to Santa Claus. It was to help make spirits bright 3 days before Christmas.
I'm shopping for my granddaughter, and I have a grandson that's a year old. Where he was staying, it got tore up.
It's going to give the family Christmas presents. Oh, it helped us out wonderful. Put gifts under the tree.
I know for a fact there's a lot of people in need around here.
Walmart workers and volunteers spent 20 hours setting up a temporary Christmas store for families to get toys and bikes for the kids and other things they may need for free. Nearly 500 families were expected to shop in school today, some very close to manager Margaret Hayes.
I have a lot of my associates come from this area. 13 associates lost their homes. It's very personal to me and big in the community. But to do it here in a community like this, I'm overwhelmed with joy.
Hayes says they wanted to help tornado victims and also bring some of the Christmas spirit back. Some shoppers appreciated the assistance to their little community.
And it's a blessing. It really is. It is a blessing that they're coming here, and not only them, it's just everybody that has showed support for our little community.
Walmart managers say this isn't the first time they've held events like this. They held similar ones in recent days in Bowling Green and Mayfield. In Dawson Springs, Mike Pickett, Eyewitness News.